Hello, I'm Rainer Grüninger, Application Engineer at Kübler, and today I like to show you how to install and operate SSI Display 570T. The display is installed with a mounting clip and screws which are included in the delivery. Insert the display from front side into the panel. Fix the mounting bracket. Tight the screws. Same from the other side. Tight the screw and the display is already installed. After the display is switched on, the position value is shown. To edit parameters, press the touchscreen for 3 seconds. Select the parameter via arrow button. Confirm with OK. The parameter selection can be terminated with C. It is possible to show the single turn and multi-turn value in the two different lines. Additionally, minimum and maximum values can be displayed. To switch to the pre-selection values, press the screen 3 times and press Edit Pre-selection. Choose the pre-selection number by arrow and confirm with OK. Change value by arrow and confirm with OK. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you again in the next tutorial. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to call me. Your Rainer Grüninger.